Welcome, guys. Let's continue with the series Top SQL Interview Questions, which is asked in most of the interviews and maybe as Viva questions in top colleges as well. Okay? Before getting into the questions, guys, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. Right? Let's move on to our next question. In most of the SQL interviews, the interviewer can ask you questions based on some keywords in mind. This is a bit tricky. You can't answer it easily without remembering that particular keyword. They will check whether you remember that keyword or you came across. Okay, let's focus on that type of question. It is how to concatenate multiple records into a single text, maybe with comma separated values. So what they are asking to do, you have to get all the employee names of a table as a comma separated string. Okay. On the below table, we have names like John King, Nina Kochar, right? We need these values as John King, comma, Nina Kochar, comma, etc. Right? Okay. How we can do that? Select employee name. It will fetch all the employee names. In order to put comma, we have to append comma along with the employee name. So plus comma space from employees. Now we have the records with comma. So how to make it into a single string then? We can do that by using the keyword XML path. Okay, for XML path within brace quotes. Guys, please remember this keyword XML path. Actually, it is used to convert our column data into XML, but here we are using to merge all the records into a single string. Okay, we can use it in multiple ways. That's all for this session. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up button below and click on subscribe button as well. If you have any queries or need more clarification, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Good luck all. We'll meet you in the next session. Bye bye.